This is the Insta360 X6, and I've been testing it for a little over a week now. And yes, Insta360 did send me this camera to test and review, but this video is not sponsored in any other way. I can't wait to show you more, but for now we're going to talk about just a couple of things. One, this is an all-new design from Insta360. Obviously, it's a little shorter, a little wider, and yeah, I'm actually kind of a big fan of it. I like it. It's just a little more compact and a little bit nicer. It also has two new 1-inch equivalent CMOS sensors, which gives us a little bit better image quality and a little bit better low light performance. And they've put a new triple chip system in here that definitely enhances image quality. And I've got to take it into some pretty cool places. Now, I do use 360 cameras, especially when I'm out in high-stakes situations like what you've seen a couple of clips of here, where I can't really aim the camera. Like, I can't hold the camera out of the helicopter 6-7 feet away and make sure it's aimed back at me. Or walking through an ice cave place like this where it is dangerous and you do have to have your full attention on what you're doing so that you're safe. A 360 camera in situations like that is perfect. Or just being able to grab other angles that you really can't grab with any other camera. I mean, you know, like this with the kayak, this is an angle that I really can't grab with any other type of camera. So 360 cameras are really useful in those situations, especially in action situations and stuff like that. But Insta360 has been working really hard to add more features to their cameras and their software that make it much more useful for so many more things than that. While you're going to have to wait a few more days to find out more about this camera, I have to say I'm really impressed so far. Everything I've been doing with this camera and everything I've shot with this camera has seen some really solid improvements, and definitely a big next step in the evolution of 360 cameras from Insta360. But until then, you're going to want to watch this video right here. I'll see you over there. As always, if you have questions, ask me in the comments below. Or join my live stream, which happens most Wednesday nights at 4 p.m. Alaska time, 8 p.m. Eastern, where I can answer questions that maybe I didn't get to in this video, and we can have a little more of a conversation. I'll see you again soon in the next one. Cheers.